What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video, I will show you how you can make your TikTok account public. So let's start this video by launching the TikTok app. If you have previously made your profile private, then you might have the necessity to make it public again. Now when the app launches properly, tap on your profile icon on bottom right corner and go to your profile. Then tap on the three dots on top right corner. Then tap on privacy. And here you will see that private account option is enabled. Now tap on the toggle to disable that. And it will ask you for your confirmation before making your profile public. Now tap on confirm. And your profile is now back to public again. And if you go back to your profile, it does not say private account anymore. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.